Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are off to Mallorca, the Tramuntana Mountains in Spain, inshallah. We'll be cycling without much training. When I say without much training, I've ridden 17 miles in the last 2 months.
Alhamdulillah, we have landed. This is the first part of the journey, inshallah. So tomorrow, get a good night's sleep, get a good breakfast, and here we are. We're first here. We're going to be first when we're cycling as well. As you can see, the rest of the brothers are slacking, so we're going to take him a big kick up the backside.
Nutrition has to be on point right now.
Don't give Nazar on his food, man. Well, man, I don't know
That's crazy. It was that hot. We were doing about 20 miles and having to stop just for rest break.
Anything about 20 miles, you got
At least.
Oh, hola. We're off to get some breakfast. Where are we going, Zach?
Le croissant.
Hey, what are we having for dindins? For lunch?
We're gonna jump off the sea cliff and catch a big fish.
Romas. You know, if you don't have romas, you haven't eaten fish.
So fish.
You haven't. Oh God, he doesn't know what romas is.
You know fish is?
I'm not sure who's making breakfast. I can do tea. That's about it, really. Alhamdulillah, I have a wife.
Brilliant. You have to go into the middle of the pool.
Interesting.
Let's do it.
Kaz?
Yeah, I'm ordering it.
Did you bring yours, Gulab? So you're gonna wear that tomorrow then? You don't wear it today?
Where today? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
No, but not just that bike, my cube though. I love my cube as well. Yeah, cube is decent. So I'm not dissing the bikes here. Watch out guys, there's nails here as well.
Yeah, brand new pedals, man, they're so tight.
There's some nails on the floor.
Yeah, we're on the course now. There he is. There's a travel back on the roads. Yes.
How was the ride?
It's going alright so far.
Easy riding it.
This is a warm-up ride for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a test day.
Alright? You see the goat one? The mountain goat. That's a hard well, what can I say? I mean, as you guys can see behind us, subhanAllah, this is just amazing. I was saying to Gulab here that we can't understand this, you know. We can just appreciate what's in front of our eyes.
You want to go down there?
And whoever's watching this, you gotta be out here. You gotta come. Don't think, just do it. Just do it.
You work for like Mallorca tourist board. Downhill. Yeah, we're on the course now.
Anyone else having any more juice? No?
It's nice that juice.
Yeah, it's actually nice. No?
Tell you what, bro. I don't want to gloat my talents, but I make the baddest, meanest grapefruit juice.
Yeah?
I'm not like a village when we stop, man. Everything was shut.
Bro, I'm telling you honestly, alhamdulillah, I've cycled in many countries. So many countries, I can't fit them on one hand. Honestly speaking, bro, I don't want to speak too soon because the big ride is tomorrow. But effort-wise, I'd say it's nothing more than a 6 today.
We were walking to some place to get some milkshake. There's no hardly any halal food around, man. Suddenly see this brother in a jubba who's walking.
In a hurry.
So Farouk started chasing him.
He was in a hurry. I run after him, even though my legs are tired from all the cycling today. So, alhamdulillah, like a blessing, we managed to read with Jamaat together in the local masjid, which I didn't even think there was one.
Yes,
in the
subhanallah.
port.
We were quite shocked.
Yeah.
Now we asked him about halal food, so where can we get halal food from? So inshallah, we hope we can find us a place, man. Don't know what Zach's doing, to be honest. He's another one of those who's making up as he goes along. It's been a nice day today. It was really tough today, actually. I think I learned a harsh lesson today. If you don't train, you're not going to enjoy it. 30 miles into the ride, I got cramps. The big ride is going to be tough. It's going to be really tough. Because I just, yeah. See how it goes, man. Subhanallah. Bismillah.
Ready to go? I'm making that noise as well.
يا عمري
climb back up this. Yeah, we go down it first and then come back up it.
Now you brought on thing here.
Look at this! How steep it is going down! Look at it!
So here we are. So here we are.
This guy's so wide, I don't know where he starts and where he ends. And did you know he's the only man
You have to look here, by the way, not there.
that's got 2 sets of shoulders?
2 sets of shoulders, so, so he says.
1, 2. I don't know how he
They're
does
called
it.
traps.
What's going on here?
We're just reflecting after yesterday's thrashing. After yesterday's thrashing that we had.
Thrashing it was indeed.
Are we really cut up for this cycling malarkey? I'll be honest. I was watching videos on Sakalobra, Pugmayor, and all these other big climbs. And I thought, you know what? I reckon I can do that. The truth is, I can barely ride up Dean Road and barely ride up Manchester Road in Burnley. Dean Road's easy. Manchester Road in Burnley.
Is it Bolton?
Yeah. So it's in Bolton. Yeah. So I got found out. Pretty quick.
I know where you go to Dean Road. That's where all the
Though-
takeaways are, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey man, shut up!
Sorry, just thinking aloud. Edit that bit out.
Yeah. So, but the thing is, what I was shocked with, what I was really shocked by was Zach. He was struggling. I've never seen Zach struggle.
It's not true. It's not true. It's someone else.
I've never seen Zach struggle. This time he struggled.
It's basically the guy wearing the same jersey as me.
Yeah.
If you saw him, you'd think he's like my Spanish twin or something. It wasn't me.
Yeah.
Not real.
But no, the truth is, it was extremely hot. There was a car show, a car rally that stopped our riding for an hour. The roads were blocked. And in that time, we lost about good an hour and a bit.
Can I just say, I think
was
I
getting
got
hungry.
asthma from them fumes as well.
Yeah.
From the car.
The fumes from the car. There you go. All the excuses coming now.
Yeah.
So
They're all true as well, by the way.
they're all true excuses.
Not
I was truly humbled by Pugmayor.
I agree.
Alhamdulillah.
If I can put it in such little words, is that it's been an amazing experience. Awesome brotherhood, good time with the lads, to be honest, painful, enjoyable, and subhanAllah, the beautiful creations that Allah has created around us, and we got to see it while being on a bike.
No, alhamdulillah, it's all been an amazing experience, which, again, you probably feel that word is overused, but it's one of them things where realistically the stories I tell you or the footage or the pictures you'd see won't explain anything until you come out here and experience it for yourself. It's difficult to pick one highlight in particular, but alhamdulillah, you know, I've had the opportunity, Allah's given me the opportunity to take part in a few of these, but for some reason this stands out head and shoulders above the rest of the challenges I've taken on in the past. One thing I can say for certain is the routes out here are absolutely ruthless. I've made a mistake and I'm going to learn from my mistake by not probably training as much as I should have, because the hills around here won't give you any mercy at all. And that's one challenge, and I'm going to take heed for that, inshallah. But again, the main point we'd like to come back to is the cause and the reason why we're doing it. Our hardship, what we've suffered out here, is nothing in comparison to the people that we're trying to raise the awareness for.
As probably many of you know, that this is probably one place everyone talks about, coming out here to do cycling. because they've got some beautiful climbs and stuff. But let me tell you something, they are beautiful but very tough. I did train, but I still find it tough. So if you're planning to come out here, definitely train. I mean, you can't train enough. If you think you trained enough, do more. But you enjoy it. That's the thing is you actually enjoy them. That's why we're here at the end as well, to enjoy. Throughout the 4 days that we've done cycling, I've definitely enjoyed every single day. If I didn't enjoy it, then I would have definitely been moaning about everything. The place itself is quite nice. Beautiful scenery.
In terms of the cycling, the kind of cycling that you do here, there's nothing like this in the UK. Absolutely nothing at all. I mean, the first thing is the type of ride you get in the UK. Yeah, you can ride long for days, if you wanted to, for several hours, and you'll get the odd climb here or there. The highest kind of climbs you get in the UK are 100, 150, 200 meters, those kind of ascents. But here, especially along the north coast, which is where we are, the climbs are they seem to be never ending. And the other kind of thing is the climbs are what I kind of explain or describe as friendly climbs. The gradients aren't ridiculously steep. They're you can do them, you can get to the top as long as you pace yourself.
I mean, wherever you look, just mountains and green around you as well. So it's not just cycling, you just take everything in as well. The reason why we're obviously here is to raise money for Gaza and for the hospital. So that, I mean, when you keep thinking about it while you're here, it just keeps you going.
Inshallah, like I said, we'd like to continue this work of deen that Allah's blessed us with the opportunity to give, and keep the brotherhood and the ikhwat with the people we already know out here. And like I said, just look to strengthen mainly from the cycling, and in terms of the deen and the donations that we'll try and raise for future projects, inshallah. So on that note, Assalamu alaikum.